Imagine you are trying to learn a new language, let us say Spanish. If but every time you are practicing, you are unsure if you are saying right. You wish there was someone who could translate and guide you instantly. That exactly Speak Easy Chatbot steps in. It like having a personal language buddy with building the Python framework like Flask, who are always ready to chat and correct and help you to grow in one phrase at a time. You can start telling the chatbot which language do you want to speak, which language do you want to learn. In my case, I want to learn a new language as a Hindi. My current language I want to translate from the English language. Then my proficient level is the beginner. You can able to if you are not an if you are not able to understand a single letter, you can able to understand in this chatbot. For that, you can start with a beginner. Then we start chatbot. Then speak is a chatbot is now growing. We can directly go to type and hi. I want to conversation with the chatbot. For that, I was started with the hi. Then it was giving us namaste. If you don't know how to speak it, then you can tap on the mic button.
Namaste.
It was giving the understandable way how to speak it, how to pronunciate it. You can able to understand. It was giving as a namaste. Then I was going to. It was why it was giving as exactly the word. What was the word? Is by using the Google Translate, it was developed. For that, we are getting the multiple languages at a time. We can able to understand. Now I am giving as good morning. Now it was going as giving us the language. No,
Shubprabhat.
Suprabhat is the translated of the good morning in Hindi. Now, if you want to change your language, then click on the new chat. It was going redirected to the initial chatbot where you are starting with the then I want to learn a Japanese language right now. I am a currently I'm as beginner. I'm currently translating into the English language to Japanese language. Then I am starting the chatbot. Now I want to start with also with a hi. It was giving the Konnichiwa is the translated language of hi in Japanese. You can able to understand you can how to speak and how to phrase it. Now I am giving us hello. How are it was giving the bot message.
こんにちはお元気ですか
It is the bot translated version of the hello how are you. Right now we are starting with a sieve. Now while the bot is already helping, just giving we get started. There is a building in the framework ready to catch the grammar slips and suggest more corrections, like a mini language coach. Imagine the future updates with the voice input, with the punctuation feedback. So whether the learning Telugu or Japanese or any other languages, Speak is a chatbot is the smart and chatty and every patent of compassion. It is like a teacher which you want to in a traveling person or you want to go into the other states, other countries. Do you want to learn that the language and you want to communicate? This is the best teacher while the traveling partner. Thank you for joining with me. Happy chatting.